So, you're thinking the Dacia Duster is the ultimate budget SUV? Cheap price, good looks, decent features? Sounds like a no-brainer, right? But here's the thing. What if I told you the real costs start after you drive it off the lot? Hey, welcome back to Supercar, where we dig deeper than just shiny exteriors and showroom prices. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next reveal. Today, we're diving into something most people don't talk about, the real cost of owning the 2025 Dacia Duster. And trust me, some of these maintenance numbers might raise a few eyebrows. From hidden service costs to surprise repairs, we're breaking it all down in a way no dealership will. Is the Duster still worth it, or is the low price just the tip of the iceberg? Stick around, you'll want to see the full picture before making any decisions. Let's get into it. The Duster has made a name for itself by being cheap. It's a no-frills SUV that doesn't pretend to be something it's not. This honesty is part of its appeal. People are drawn to its simplicity. It promises basic transportation without breaking the bank. This is especially attractive in a world where car prices seem to be constantly rising. The Duster's low price often leads to high expectations. Buyers hope that the affordability continues beyond the initial purchase. They want a car that's cheap to run and maintain. But is this realistic? Can a car this inexpensive truly deliver on its promise of long-term affordability? Let's find out. Here's the thing about Dacia, it's owned by Renault. That means many Duster parts come from Renault. And Renault parts aren't always known for being cheap. While Dacia aims for affordability, they can't escape the reality of parts costs. This is especially true for components shared with Renault models. This means that even though you're driving a Dacia, you might be paying Renault prices for repairs. This can be a surprise for owners expecting rock-bottom maintenance costs. It's crucial to factor in these potential expenses when considering the Duster's overall affordability. The initial savings might be less significant when faced with higher-than-expected repair bills. Owning a car is a commitment that goes far beyond the initial purchase price. While driving off the lot in your new vehicle is an exciting moment, it's just the beginning of a long-term relationship with regular responsibilities. One of the most important aspects of car ownership is keeping up with routine maintenance, which is essential for the health and longevity of your vehicle. This holds true for every car on the road, whether you own a compact city car, a family SUV, or a rugged Dacia Duster. No matter the make or model, every vehicle requires ongoing care to keep it running smoothly and safely. Over time, these regular service appointments, though they may seem minor or inexpensive individually, can accumulate into a significant expense. Each visit to the service center brings its own set of charges, from labor costs to parts and fluids, and these add up year after year. In the first 3 years of ownership, you'll typically follow a schedule of standard service intervals. These are set by the manufacturer to ensure your car remains in optimal condition and to catch any potential issues before they become serious problems. During these visits, technicians will perform essential tasks such as changing the engine oil, replacing air and cabin filters, checking fluid levels, and conducting thorough inspections of key components like brakes, tires, and suspension. While each individual service might seem manageable, it's easy to underestimate how quickly the costs can pile up. When you add together the price of parts, fluids, and labor over several years, the total can be quite substantial. That's why it's important to keep track of every bill and plan ahead for these recurring expenses. For instance, when your car reaches a milestone like 60,000 kilometers, the required service is often more comprehensive and, as a result, more expensive. This major service might include replacing spark plugs, changing transmission fluid, and inspecting or replacing timing belts, all of which contribute to a higher bill. These more extensive checks and fluid changes are necessary to keep your vehicle performing at its best and to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Skipping or delaying them can lead to hidden issues that may only surface when they become much more costly to fix. Staying on top of scheduled maintenance is also crucial for maintaining your Duster's warranty coverage and ensuring its long-term reliability. Service records are often required for warranty claims, and regular maintenance helps preserve your car's resale value. That's why it's wise to budget for these routine expenses from the very beginning. Setting aside a small amount each month can help you avoid surprises and ensure you're always prepared for the next service appointment. Neglecting regular maintenance might seem like a way to save money in the short term, but it often leads to much bigger repair bills down the road. By investing in scheduled services, you're protecting both your wallet and your peace of mind for the journey ahead. While the Dacia Duster is generally considered a reliable and practical SUV, it's important to recognize that no car is perfect, and the Duster is no exception. Owners across the globe have shared a wide range of experiences, highlighting both the strengths and the weaknesses of this popular model. Many drivers appreciate the Duster's ruggedness, affordability, and straightforward design, but some have encountered issues that are worth discussing in detail. Online forums and owner groups are filled with real-life stories and honest feedback from Duster owners. These platforms are a goldmine for anyone considering buying a Duster, as they provide unfiltered insights into what it's really like to live with this vehicle day in and day out. Some owners rave about the Duster's low running costs and its ability to handle tough terrain, while others share their frustrations with certain recurring problems. Over time, a few common issues have emerged from these discussions. While many Dusters run smoothly for years, some owners have reported problems that seem to crop up more frequently than others. These issues can range from minor annoyances to more significant mechanical concerns that require professional attention. One of the most talked about problems involves the car's electronics, particularly the infotainment system. Owners have reported glitches such as unresponsive touchscreens, random reboots, and connectivity issues with smartphones. These electrical gremlins can be especially frustrating because they often appear intermittently, making them difficult to diagnose and resolve. When these electronic issues do occur, they can be both time-consuming and costly to fix. Some owners have found themselves returning to the dealership multiple times before a solution is found, and in some cases replacement parts or software updates are needed. The cost of these repairs can add up quickly, especially if the vehicle is out of warranty. Another area where the Duster has received criticism is its suspension system. Owners who frequently drive on rough or unpaved roads have noticed that suspension components, such as bushings and shock absorbers, tend to wear out faster than expected. This can lead to a less comfortable ride and eventually the need for repairs or replacements. Replacing worn suspension parts isn't just inconvenient, it can also be a significant expense. Depending on the extent of the damage and the parts required, repair bills can quickly put a dent in your wallet, especially if multiple components need attention at the same time. Of course, it's important to remember that these are just a few examples of the issues some owners have faced. Many Duster owners report years of trouble-free driving and are more than satisfied with their purchase. The key is to be aware of potential problems so you can make informed decisions about maintenance and repairs. Ultimately, the actual cost of repairs will depend on several factors, including the severity of the issue, the age and mileage of your Duster, and the labor rates charged by your local mechanic or dealership. By staying informed and proactive, you can minimize unexpected expenses and keep your Duster running smoothly for years to come.